Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, Rowboat, an open source AI coworker designed with memory. This project is exploding, gaining over 1,000 stars just today by tackling one of the biggest challenges in AI assistance. A persistent, long-term memory that makes it a true collaborator for your work. What if your AI assistant actually had a memory? Not just for a single conversation, but for every project, every person, and every decision you've made over months. A new project on GitHub is exploring this very idea, moving beyond simple chatbots to create a true digital coworker with a compounding knowledge base. This project is called Rowboat, an open-source AI coworker from the team at Rowboatlabs. It's designed to solve the problem of AI amnesia by building a long-term memory from your work. And it's clear this idea is resonating. The project has already accumulated nearly 11,200 stars, with over 1,180 of those added in just the last day. This kind of rapid growth shows just how much developers are looking for AI tools that have persistent, reliable context. Most AI assistants operate with short-term memory. This forces you to re-explain project history or team dynamics in every new session. All that repetition creates friction and really limits how useful an AI can be. In the past, the workaround was often to manually feed documents into a prompt. Rowboat's approach is fundamentally different. Instead of waiting for you to provide information, it proactively builds a continuous knowledge graph from your email and calendars. This creates a persistent memory that grows and refines itself over time, shifting the AI from a passive tool to an active collaborator that actually understands long-term context. At its core, Rowboat's design philosophy is local first. This means all your data lives right on your machine as plain Markdown files compatible with the Notes app Obsidian. This approach ensures privacy and helps you avoid getting locked into a single vendor's ecosystem. The core innovation here is a hybrid memory system. The Markdown files act as a structured knowledge graph, explicitly mapping out people, projects, and decisions. Working alongside that is a local vector database called QDRANT, which indexes all unstructured text for incredibly fast semantic searches. So when you make a request, Rowboat takes a two-step approach. First, it consults the knowledge graph for high-level context. Then, it uses that insight to guide a highly targeted vector search. This process, combining a graph with retrieval-augmented generation, is far more precise than just blindly searching a pile of documents. And the system is also extensible through something called the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. This is a standard that lets you connect external tools like Jira or Slack, making Rowboat even more powerful. So, what does this look like in the real world? Well, a project manager could ask Rowboat to prepare a meeting brief for a client, and it would instantly pull past decisions and open questions from months of emails. Or, a team lead could tell it to generate a draft roadmap presentation, and Rowboat would create a PDF using all the project context it has gathered. It also has a feature called Live Notes, which automatically tracks and summarizes information on any person or topic you're interested in. Getting started is pretty straightforward. You just download the desktop app and connect it to services like Gmail and Google Calendar, making the barrier to entry quite low for most people. Of course, despite this innovative design, Rowboat does face some significant hurdles. For one, the local-first architecture means it's running both a vector database and a language model on your machine. That demands a lot of CPU and RAM, which could exclude users who don't have high-end hardware. There's also the complexity of syncing data from multiple sources. A single sync error could potentially corrupt the AI's memory, leading to flawed or unreliable answers. And finally, there's a flip side to the privacy coin. While local storage is great for privacy, it also means you're gathering a lot of highly sensitive data in one single place. This creates a high-stakes target if the application itself ever has a security vulnerability. Ultimately, Rowboat represents a compelling shift for AI assistants, moving from stateless query engines to stateful, long-term collaborators. Its true value isn't just in answering questions. It's in building a transparent, user-controlled knowledge asset that actually compounds and grows more valuable over time. And that makes Rowboat a project definitely worth watching.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.